Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another beautiful day in this channel, and today guys I'm going to teach you how to make body perfume at home. But before we go into that, please subscribe to this channel, like it and share it, and do not forget to also click on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a video is dropped in this channel. Thank you so much. Relax, enjoy yourself, and learn something new today. So like I said earlier, I'm going to teach you guys how to make body perfume. There are just few things that you need to do your production. First of all, I'm going to show you number one ingredient, which is the raw fragrance. The raw fragrance, or the concentrated fragrance, so to say. So you've got that. That is the first thing that you need. Okay, let me use it this way so you can see. Another thing is menthol. Another ingredient I need to use is menthol. Menthol is one of the ingredients they use in making sweets that we lick. Those sweets that you lick and they're a bit hot in your mouth. So this is one of the ingredients they use to produce that sweet. So this menthol we are going to use for this production today is actually edible. So that's the other ingredient you are going to use for the production of today. And then you also need pure glycerin. You need pure glycerin. You need pure glycerin. This is pure glycerin. This is raw glycerin. This is not diluted at all. So that is one of the ingredients that you need. And you know about glycerin. We use it for our body cream, our body soap, There's so many things. Some people even drop it raw like this to their body lotion before they apply it on their body. You can as well use it direct if you want to. So it's not harmful at all. So that's one of the ingredients we are going to use today to make this. And another thing is methanol. Methanol is sort of alcohol that we use for production. So that's what I've chosen to use today. You can as well use ethanol. It's also an alcohol like this, but I always prefer methanol because I believe methanol is stronger than ethanol. So that's my methanol that I'm going to use today to produce perfume. It is important for us to smell well, especially when you're out. You don't want to embarrass yourself, by, having bad body smell, so to say. So it's important to know how to make your own perfume at home so that you can always smell fine. So quickly, I'm just going to start showing you what I have to do here. First of all, you need a container like that, and then you need your concentrated fragrance in it. I've chosen to use 25 ml of my raw fragrance today. I need to use very little quantity of menthol with this quantity of fragrance that I have here. So I only pick little one like that. I hope you can really see that. That's the quantity of menthol I'm going to use for the 25 ml of the perfume. That's the 25 ml of the perfume. I'm going to add that little piece of menthol to that fragrance. I will cover it so that it will not pour, and then I will mix it like that, shake it like that to mix it well. So while I'm doing this, the menthol is actually melting inside the fragrance. It's melting as I'm doing this, and it's all melted. It's melted inside. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit of 1 or 2 drops. Now I'm gonna use just 1 drop because of the quantity of fragrance I'm using. So I'm going to drop just 1 drop of glycerin. That's fine. Doesn't have to be too much. Just 1 drop of glycerin. That's all I need for this production. Shake it very well. And then the next thing I'll add to this will be my alcohol or methanol. So I'm going to add this methanol to this mixture. So right now, I'm going to shake it. You can add more than that. I think I should add a little bit more than that to still come out very well. I'm going to shake it to mix it very well. So that's it. The perfume is ready. As simple as ABC. My perfume is ready. It's ready to use. That's all. Very simple. As simple as ABC. Very simple. That's all. I've finished producing my perfume. So all you have to do is just to get your beautiful container. Any container of your choice, just get a beautiful container of your choice, and then you just pour your perfume inside, and then you just pour your perfume inside. Just pour your perfume inside, and make sure it's not full to the top because you need space for the cover to go in. And that's all. Your perfume is ready. It's ready. And that's your perfume. It's ready. And that's the perfume. It's ready. So this way you will not be scared of having stains on your body, on your clothes, you know. So the menthol and the glycerin actually help your perfume to last longer. So that's the secret. It helps your perfume to last longer on you when you put it on your body, on your clothes. Glycerin also helps to calm the alcohol that is in it, so you'll not be feeling harsh on your skin when you wear your perfume. You know, there's some perfume when you put them on, they're very harsh. It's just because that happens because they did not add glycerin. So glycerin also play a very vital role in your perfume. It helps to calm it down. You know, it helps not to make it harsh on your skin. So that's what glycerin also does when you use it to produce your perfume. You can see it's no more oily. It's more like water now. So that's it. And this one like this, you're not scared of having stains on your clothes. See now. So that's the production. You can see it now. So that is the production of body perfume at home. So guys, that is it about the production of perfume. I hope you enjoyed it. It was just very simple, very short, but very interesting, I believe. So if you want to know more about this, do not hesitate to drop your comment on the comment section of this very video. It's always nice to know all these things. And you can even go far with this. If you want to produce this and put them in the market, all you have to do is to, you know, make sure you get your NAFDAC number, get your business registered. They will come to your company and assess your company, what you do, your production, and then they will give you the number. And up you go. Your business is in the market. Your perfume will be in the market, just like that. So it's good for you to learn these things, free of charge from me. But I hope you enjoyed this production today. It was short, simple, but mighty, wonderful. It's something you'll never regret knowing. So that is all from me today, guys. Always remember to tune to this channel because this is where things are happening. Bye.